So this is kind of part of my EDC, or definitely my travel EDC. I'm not sure how much to say about it, but I mean it's my Olight i3T Plus. It's got the pocket clip. It's got the button for two modes of operation that are either you just kind of press a little bit to hold or to have it on demand, or you can click it to keep it up. 15 or 250 lumens, so that's the low and high. It is it's blue. No, not that. Gosh, how much does this thing weigh? Oh, it has a drop test of 2 meters. Says it can throw the beam up to 70 meters. I don't know about that. It takes 2 AAA batteries, waterproof IPX8. Don't quite remember how deep and how long that translates to. Yeah, runtime I guess it says up to 480 minutes. Here's what I want to know. 2.19 ounces or 62 grams, which includes the battery. It's also 5.24 inches long, and it is 0.59 inches diameter. Now, why the 5.24 inches long, why that matters, is because I can take it carry on airplanes according to the TSA, because it is under 7 inches, and this blue without any spikes and stuff on it doesn't look tactical to me. Doesn't have skulls, doesn't have spikes, doesn't have all the scary stuff, but you could still probably get somebody good with it. I mean, manipulations, popping somebody. So yeah, so this is my EDC that can be used, but it's not too too scary. But let's just go play with it a little bit and see what happens. Okay, so here it is, dark in my garage. That's low mode. Can see around, kinda. Spooky garage. There's high mode. And then we will take it outside once it gets dark and play with it out there. All right, let's go ahead and do the thump test. Apple. Honeydew. Watermelon. I think that passed that. All right, now we're gonna give it 30 minutes. See you later, buckaroo. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and looks like it's still going good. All right, it's been 30 minutes and it's still going fine. Say it's pretty good. We'll dry it out and use it tonight. So here we are, as you can see, at night, and there we are, bright night mode, and you can't really see. There's medium night mode. You can't really see it out to the fence. Back to bright. You can't see it out to the fence. All right, so here we are the next morning, and yep, it still works. So yeah, this thing works pretty well, and this is going to be my EDC, my non-lethal force EDC, and yeah, it'll be going with me just about everywhere, and try to take it overseas as well. So thank you for joining me, and remember, get outside, enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.